This is a super easy project that anybody with basic tools and a little bit of time can knock out in a matter of minutes. So the first thing you want to do is find yourself a piece of art, then find your blank wall where you think that art will look good. This could be a picture or anything else that you may have. Find the height for you. Now, we're taller, Mama and I, so we went and used the top door hinge is our baseline. We thought visually that would be perfect for us, and it also gives a nice clean line along that back wall. So you have a few different options of how you can hang art. You also have a few different color options. Now, the rest of the fixtures in our washroom are silver, so I went with a silver wall hanger. Now, this is a single nail and a single hook wall hanger. You could use a screw, which may or may not require a wall anchor itself. I prefer this because it's a little bit cleaner. It also gives you the flexibility of the different styles and options you're hanging. So if you hang something, for example, like a holiday item that's maybe hung on a rope and is meant to dangle, a screw doesn't look near as good as a picture hanger does. So it's a single nail. You find that center point by measuring, mark that on your wall, and then you just give it a few taps. Doesn't matter if you're in a stud or if you're in the straight drywall. Just use the appropriate size for the weight of the actual item you're hanging. You may have to use more than one as well. So this particular piece that we found at a great price, mind you, we're going to go ahead and take the cardboard protectors off of it. Now, when we did that, a few of the staples were poking up, and we don't want that damaging our wall. So we're going to go ahead and hammer those down. Now, be sure to stick around to the end here, because our best tip for when you're hanging anything on the walls is coming right up. So once you get that hung and you find it and you center it and you got it level and it looks good to you, this last touch will save you so much in the future. Get small felt pads and go ahead and put them on the back corners. Your top is going to naturally, by hanging on the hook, be away from your wall. This will keep you safe so you don't get any wall scratches while it's just hanging there. So we hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to come back for more easy breezy DIYs and more family fun. Like hanging frames with 2 hanging points or one with 1 screw. And be sure to check out all the other Dad and Son channels.